Welcome to this video where you can learn about a website to make money online just by typing letters. Here, you will see a website where you can see how to make money online without paying anything. Before starting, subscribe to the channel for more such methods and tips to earn money online on the internet. Check the description for more such resources of the methods and tips to make money online. Also, stay till end of the video to know about how to be successful with this website and make a consistent amount of money. So, let's start. This website office is located at San Francisco, United States, and they provide audio transcription service to their clients. You can join with this website by apply as a transcriber and then earn per audio hour after passing the test. This website is free to join and anyone can work from home with a computer and internet connection. They offer both types of transcription services, automated as well as manually by the transcriber. This transcriber jobs will help you to make money online without paying anything. It's a completely home-based job where you can set up your work hours at your own pace. You will need a simple headset and internet connected with relatively no special attributes to work with this website. This website requires participants from worldwide and you can start earning the money after passing the test. The audio file for transcribing jobs is relatively small, relatively around 1 min, and pays you between $5 to $25 per hour. There is a time limit of 2 hours for this transcribing jobs, and automated transcribing script is provided for reference. They also pay a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours of completion of the work. Also, there is no kind of monthly obligations and commitments. Anyone can work here at their own pace of time and convenience. This website will help you to make money online without paying anything. So, the website where you can work from home by transcribing jobs is www.scribby.com. The work involves listening to the audio files and typing it as accurately as possible. You just need to go through a test process and get certified for a transcriber job. Once certified, you will be paid for the files you transcribe on an audio hour basis. For each submission, your Scribby.com account will be credited with the appropriate dollar amount. Your earnings will accumulate and you can transfer it to your PayPal account anytime. From PayPal, the funds can be transferred to your bank account. So, let's see what are the requirements for making money online by this transcriber jobs. Good vocabulary and understanding of native English, ability to interpret conversations, can identify the mistakes in conversation, a verified PayPal account for payment, laptop with the internet connection, headphones. The transcription process consists of 5 stages. Number 1, file splitting. This is where the audio file is split up in minutes. Number 2 is raw transcription. Here the automated transcribed script is provided to the user with blanks for reference. Number 3 is review. During review, the file is checked for correctness and quality of the transcription. Number 4 is proofreading. Here the all files parts are collected and rechecked for the quality. Number 5 is quality check, where after confirming the work, it is delivered to the customer. Now, after you pass the test, you can start making money on this website by transcribing jobs. So, following 4 steps should be kept in mind for high transcription quality of the audio file. To start working, you will need right kind of headset. Do your research and find out which one suits the transcribing job. To learn how to make money online without paying anything, make sure you have read all the instructions related to the work. Check the audio whether it is consistent or not before starting working on it. The grammar and punctuations marks must be perfect with exact transcription of the audio file. Grading system of 5-point scale is implemented and average minimum transcription grade is 3.15. There should be no more than 2 mistakes for every 10 words spoken in the audio file. Every new paragraph should be started with the new speaker and they should be separated with the empty line. Listen to the audio file at least twice to understand and figure out the topic on what the conversation is all about. Compare it with the automated transcribed file given and get the rough idea about the conversation in the audio file. These were some of the key points to be kept in mind while transcribing the audio on this website. Read more information about the guidelines which are to be kept in mind for transcribing the audio file. Check the link in description for more useful resources to make money online. We have come to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates on various methods and tips to make money online. Thank you.